This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the differences between microinverters and hybrid inverters. We'll explore how each type functions within a solar energy system. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed decision about your home's power setup. We will cover their unique benefits, potential drawbacks, and ideal applications. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which inverter best suits your specific energy needs. Microinverters offer significant advantages, especially for complex roof layouts or areas with partial shading. Because each microinverter is attached to an individual solar panel, it optimizes that panel's output independently. This means if one panel is shaded or dirty, the others continue producing maximum power. This modular design also makes expanding your system straightforward. You simply add more panels and their corresponding microinverters. Hybrid inverters are powerhouses for comprehensive energy management. Their primary strength lies in integrating solar panels with battery storage, allowing you to store surplus energy. This stored power can then be used during evening hours or to provide reliable backup during grid interruptions. Hybrid inverters also offer sophisticated control over your energy flow, optimizing self-consumption and potentially reducing electricity bills by using stored power during expensive peak rate periods. When deciding between these two inverter types, consider your priorities. Microinverters excel in maximizing output from individual panels, especially on roofs with varying sunlight conditions, and offer easy scalability. Hybrid inverters are the clear choice if battery storage, backup power, and energy independence are important to you. While microinverters might have a higher initial cost per watt, hybrid systems introduce the added expense and maintenance of batteries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.